go right there. We are gonna go to the Crayola Experience. Are you excited? Okay, blah, blah, blah. Let's go. We've got our tokens, we've got our bags. Let's go get creative. Yeah, I can't wait for that personalized crayon. Oh, we're starting out with the most anticipated thing. I am so excited. Emma and Eliza both want carnation pink. All right. If you want a shape on there with it, yeah, just swipe it. Oh, fun. That's cute. Type your crayon name. No uppies right now. It's gonna be your turn next. You ready? Yeah, print it. Oh my goodness, it's gonna come out.
There it is. And the wrapper may come out here.
Yes! Oh, so cool. Eliza's turn. Can Daddy help? Oh yeah. Can you help Daddy?
Eliza's doing pink.
Yes, she wants pink.
These are the tokens.
Yeah, from the bags. This was Emma's. Doesn't really matter, I'm sure. There's 6 bags here, people. This is hard. All right, you're gonna put it right in here, babe. Okay? You ready? Yeah, you do it. You got it.
Do you want a shape?
You want a fun shape on there?
Or nothing?
Oh, that's pretty. A fun shape, of course. Baseball.
You want a baseball? You want a baseball?
Oh, fun. You want it just to say your name?
You want to say Eliza or Elizabeth? You want it to say Elizabeth?
Oh, so beautiful. Okay, is it coming?
All right.
Here we go.
Here comes your crayon. And here comes your paper.
We're gonna put it on there. Sissy's gonna show her how to do this thing.
What's this for then?
So roll it on there.
I didn't.
That's how you do it. These are the instructions. Peel your label. Place crayon on the label.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it says that brown.
Okay, well you can do that too. That'll work. Emma's got it. As long as it gets done, that's all we care about. Are you good? There you go, Liza. Your own crayon. My turn. All right, we figured out the real way now. Emma's got it. Okay, okay.
Whoa.
Ta-da! Nice. We did it. Woohoo! Whoa, the world's largest crayon. That's pretty cool. All right, let's make our own coloring pages. Okay, go for it. Okay, ready?
Background.
Oh yeah, what's the background? Oh, that's cute. You like that or no?
Can you move over a little bit? Emma?
That's perfect.
Smile.
Smile.
Smile, Eliza.
Yes, perfect. Let's print it. What? We can do one more.
I want to do it.
Let's see it. Oh, that is so fun. Okay, what color do you want?
I'm just going to do this one, I guess.
You want purple? Okay, put your token in.
Where?
Right there, I think. Okay. How about 42?
42.
See what happens. Oh, reach in there. Get it. Good job. Okay, you can go back to the table. All right, you put it right in the coin spot. You got it. What color? Oh no! What color are you gonna get? Purple. Okay, do any of those, punch in any of those numbers after you put in your pin or your token. Beautiful. 44, 45, 46.
That's literally what I picked.
Do it. All right. comes. Reach down in there. It's down there. All right, what kind of creativity we got going on? Emma's writing her name. What did you make? What are you making? You gonna write on yours too? No? Draw on it. Very fun. Oh boy, this is fun. Alright, we're gonna do some melted crayon art. I am excited for this. You're glowing, Emma. Oh, she's gonna paint with melted wax. Cool. I thought it was spinny, but I think that maybe be later. Liza's painting. Ooh, so beautiful.
Gotta dip it again.
Yep, dip it more so you can get more color. So nice. Oh, now we're gonna make this paper dance in a little bit, but we gotta color our pretty fairies first. Mine's a work in progress. Everybody's in on it. We all pay for admission, we all get creative. Oh, somebody's mixed up the tops. That's terrible. Oh man, get ready. It's gonna be quite the show. What? Dancing? Look at those fairies, they are moving. Look at them putting on their show. Whoa, we're a kaleidoscope. You're in there too, vlog. Oh man, we've always had the free version of this. We've never been able to do all the things. We can finally do all the things. Woohoo! There we go. That's it, honey.
That's it.
That's the slide. Eliza, that's the slide. Go down it. We'll see you at the bottom. Yay! So fun! Oh, good old toddler town. You gonna do it again? Are you done? Why don't you keep playing? Oh yeah, ride the elephant. Why not? Sure. Emma's going up. You got this, Emma. All the way. Come on, you got it. You're good. Just keep going. You're fine. Woo! I think she's going down the slide. They're 2 X's for the slide. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Maybe so. There she is. Wow, fun. Go again. You can color everything in here. Eliza doesn't want to color anything. Oh well, that's fun though. All right, we got our 6 scrubbies, 6 elephants to take home. Hooray! Oh, is this a 3 marker challenge? Whoa, amazing. All right, let's see what beautiful elephants. Time to wash them and see what the final product shall be. Here's a guide. I like this. Teach you how to do cool designs. And here I was thinking you just color it and wash it off, color it and wash it off. Amazing. Oh man, we love this from when we did it in Wonderworks a few years ago. Got our art. We're gonna animate it up on the screen. That's Emma's dress! Whoa, awesome!
Oh, that's Emma's?
That's So good, Emma.
Yours will be
Amazing. Oh, this is Dad's design. Amazing. Awesome. I think that's our truck, Eliza. It's got fireworks. Yeah, baby. This is our truck. Oh, we got her to finally get into it. Yeah, here's my girl. Emma's about to rock again. Oh man, we could sit here all day, couldn't we, Emma? We could just do this over and over again, couldn't we? Yeah, look at yours. So nice. There you are. Wow, nice. There we go, there's mine on the left. Definitely not a fashionista. It's just so fun. Yeah, girl, work it, work it. Oh yeah, you got it. All right, here comes Eliza's girl. Look how pretty. You can name her Shelly. You can name her anything you want. Maya. Yeah, I love it. She looks amazing. Bye, Maya. You look so cool. I think some of them are just in there. I think some of them are just stored in there.
Oh, well, that's mine.
Yeah, that's fast. So fast. You want to make it go slow now? Fast, fast, fast. And when it goes green, we can put our pink in. Whoa, mesmerizing. Whoa, so beautiful. I love it. Yep. Good job. Emma's reveal.
Watch out. Move out.
Whoa. So cool. She's very proud of her work.
There you go. That's cool, Emma.
That is so cool, guys.
Very good.
All right, she's gonna make us a little seahorse. Basically a seahorse crayon. Oh, here we go. Show us your cool seahorse. Whoa.
It wasn't supposed to have blue in it, though.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool like that.
You got 2 for 1. What a great deal. Neat. Took our picture, now it's gonna turn us into cartoons. Oh, Emma's is looking good. I have an angry child on mine. What? That's crazy. Look at you, Em. It's making you. That's so wild. Oh, the robots, they're taking over. Little scratch shapes. Eliza's turn. Put it over top of one of these people. Hey, can you reach?
You want a kitty one? What color you want?
Oh. Very good.
Ready?
Every kid loves an interactive floor. Oh, maybe not Eliza. Did you get him? We're not sure what the point of, but it's okay. Oh, they finally together will appreciate how fun it is to chalk everything. Oh, no, just kidding, all done. Let's climb it. Yeah, let's climb it, why not? I like your doggy, Emma. Of course he says, whoop whoop. Amazing. Did a little cursive for us too. Nice. Somebody here is a true artist. They must have been teenagers or somebody living childhood because, wow, there's some impeccable art going on. Liza just likes climbing on this dog. Hi. Anything can be a play place, especially when it's for kids. Nobody's here. Woo, look at us. Oh, so fun. Amazing. Oh. stand back here. Now that's fun.
Bye.
I mean, that is the end of the Crayola Experience. So now that we're back, did you really enjoy the Crayola Experience? You know who I think had the most fun? Grammy. Grammy really loved the Crayola Experience. We all enjoyed it. As I anticipated, rolling crayons and customizing them, that was my favorite part. We also, as you can tell from this video, had insane fun coloring the pictures and then putting them up on the thing, the projection. That was the best. Yeah.
My favorite was
What was your favorite part of the Crayola?
Making clown.
Yeah, that was the best. They had fun with scrubsies and all the stuff, and you had fun on the big play area.
But there was some stuff that cost like money.
Yeah, we didn't do. If it costs money, no way. Not doing it.
But there was something I really wanted to do, and it cost money.
Yeah, you wanted to dip a hand in wax, didn't you? But that would never have made it on the airplane. So yeah, I think the thing with the Crayola Experience for us, we went on Saturday, and we were glad we got there early because when we were leaving, it was bonkers town in there. So I'd say probably weekdays and earlier you can go is the way to go. I'm sure also if you go later, like they're open till 8 in the summer, that's probably pretty good too. So yeah, we had lots of fun. Was Disney just away? Not at Crayola, I don't think. Yeah, but it was an adventure, and we had a lot of fun.
But it was in the mall. The mall at Disney stuff.
It sure did. That is
and
true.
we went to the American Zoo.
Yes, we did. That was so fun. But we didn't show that, but it was so fun. Yeah, we went to Primark, and they had lots of Disney.
Yeah, they have lots of Disney, so basically, yes.
Yeah, so basically, yes. So,
And right
all
now,
right.
because Mickey is
If you like this video,
very
give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you've never done so. And there'll be one more video in our Florida collection after this. So,
Mama.
1900 Park Fair. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye, friends.
Bye.